Wahala dey o my people. Hey, I hear say village council don go comot person dead body just because of say wetin say these people no carry food items go submit to the village chief o. Na wetin these people do? But I hear say according to these people for Akwa Ibom Ita village, say that one dey among their custom and tradition. Say if person die, una suppose cook rice, carry some things, go give the village head, make dem dey collect. Now then these people, as they see the list, they decide say this one they no go fit do, because the things wey even dey inside the list e reach make person marry. They say one she goat, they even dey specific, they no want any kind of goat. Goat wey be say na girl na they want. Palm wine dey inside, 2 bags of yam dey inside, egg, in fact different things. These people come reason and say no be say we dey marry, na burial we dey do. Why be say now come tell us say make we go buy all this kind list? Now there the wahala come start. Then self come talk say lie they no go buy this thing. Now there wahala come. You know say and these people they come do their burial, bury their papa. They even reason and say okay fine and good. The chief no disturb them. Nobody do them anything. The burial go on successfully. Only for us to come see say early morning they don't dig out this dead body. Go put am for bush. Talk say no over their dead body. They no go bury this man inside the land. As far as say what they no cook rice, come give them the things where they want. They no go bury this man for the I beg, which kind custom and tradition be this one? Say because of food longer throat. Or na no one made a bury person. This one na even double wahala for dead body. Because if like say the man don't die, for the man to even come rest in peace, on no still hungry. I beg, when I sure say no be this council people even gather kill this man. Because me I don't go see where because of food, palm wine. I beg, how much be palm wine? How much be egg? 15 naira. When be say person won't die, kill himself. Come talk say if you no collect this, they no go bury this. I beg, which kind culture be this? Because to me, this one a pure extortion. Say I make him come. I hear say these people now, then say don't carry this matter. Say then say they will go report this chief to the police because this one no make sense. It no even dey right. Even if this one na tradition, at least make them minimize this one at least. No be about all this. I beg now the gods won't cook the yam. I mean, now they won't chop the pepper soup when I won't use the goat to do because this whole thing it just be like say I just want one, just so they collect money from people. I know say burial no be say they gain. People know they give them money. So why be say now come on make they spend unnecessarily? Me I don't reason say this kind of custom now rubbish. It better make they just scrap them out. Come on, make the chief go sit down for one place because I don't know which kind of nonsense law. It be like say person over beat this chief now. Waiting make can see they get mind. Go they come out person dead body. Person they don't bury finish or even still cover the grave back. Say they don't go bury this person. Or they see some people tradition and custom. Or they see the rubbish some people they do. They claim say na custom and tradition because of money. Anyway, my people, here I go end them on this matter. Make una stay tuned for our next story. I greet all my people where they watch me. In fact, things they really happen. And this one what I carry comment, they come from Russia. Say one woman don't born her son alive because of say waiting. This boy go tell him papa say him mama they cheat on him papa. The boy go do amebo. Say daddy my mama they see am with different men. Now waiting make this mama na come decide say he go punish this boy. Come pour kerosene abi na fuel for the boy body burn am alive saying they punish this pikin. My people beg make na follow me see.
Открыла канистру.
Это вы можете не открывать, просто продемонстрировать, чтобы не...
Ну, открыли, да, понятно, да.
Открыла канистру и вот так вот налила.
Он что в тот момент делал?
Подождите.
Стоял.
Просто никаких не убежать, не пытался?
Нет.
Лили куда?
Вот так вот.
На голову?
Да, вот сбоку получается.
Сколько примерно?
Ну, примерно не больше 200 грамм. Взяла спички.
Ну, поджигайте спички тоже все равно. Демонстрируйте, как оно было.
То есть вот сейчас спичка загорелась, а у меня 3 спички не загорелась, загорелась только 4-я. И держа вот так вот спичку, 4-я, просто загорелась кофта у ребенка. Я бросила спичку, у меня ребенок начал убегать в огород. Побежала догонять сына. Он упал, получается, на четвереньки, я снегом его тушила. Несмотря на то, что горели руки, он помогал мне, чтобы мы потушили свитер. Я его подняла и бегом повела домой. Но ушел, плакал, горела спина.
Oh, now they see the height of wickedness. Now you commit sin, no person just say me go report small. You can't decide say you won't kill the boy because me I hear and say the boy don't die. Rest in peace to this guy. But some mama I don't understand. Me and from pit of hell on a come out from I know they get him. Say you even get mind pour for she come dey claim say no be the full body. She pour am for one side. Abeg, one side and full side, wetin be the difference? Because if you on fire, no be everywhere go still burn. And I hear say as this man dey burn, the pikin dey even shout, dey beg him mama. Say, mommy, please don't. Mommy, please don't. The mama say, I'm going to teach you how to keep short. So I just be like, say this mama dey teach her lesson. This one now, you come pour fuel on fire. You still get mind on the fire. And the woman come dey claim say after she do this one, immediately now she run go off fire. She no know say the pikin, the female daughter, dey see everything. Now then the female daughter come cast and say all this one na lie. So when the boy dey even beg, the mama no even answer. Now their step papa come still come outside, go off this fire on top of this girl. But as I hear say they don't carry this woman, give her 15 years in jail. In fact, this one too small for me. Say your own pikin, you suffer born pikin, carry am for how many years? To come born the pikin, you no feel any remorse, you no even feel anything. You come do am with ease. They talk say you dey try punish am. Why no be say this pikin na toy? No be say na plastic you keep there. You can't kill and finish now. You can't dey beg. They seek for sympathy. Now wow, but these children now him I even pity the other pikin with it because I hear say now as the matter be, the papa no even want collect the second pikin because fine and good. This man even do you a favor by marrying you. You don't already get children from outside. The man still marry you, accept you. As you know say you go dey cheat, you for just carry your cheating they do am in private. You can't go dey do am in public. Make everybody say you be dog of town. They follow men up and down. You can't cast now. You can't go to kill your pikin. Pikin will go report you. Where they even do you favor. You can't go kill her. I hear say the other pikin they don't carry and go foster home because the man they claim say him no go fit train this pikin again because the woman don't break in heart. You see where your bad luck don't carry your children reach. You don't carry one kill her. The second one now they don't carry and go dash person. Some people ain't making the reason. As mama they use your sense. Some people say they don't even deserve to get pikin because the pikin when they born I don't know be a God does they give them for free will. Because they don't really they want them to collect this kind of pick. See what this one now don't go do to him picking. Anyways, my viewers, now here I go end them on this matter. Making us stay tuned for our next story. Now, wow, my people, the things where our security people they do now, I no even feel explain. This one's now security personnel for the University of Maiduguri. I hear say these people don't go assault some female students. Say because say waiting, these students come outside they protest. Say their school they be in bad living conditions. Say water no dey, lights no dey. These people come outside they complain. Say even recently they still increase their school fees. Now only this one do just shake now this one. Because of this one, security can't go. They pack them these girls from their hostel naked. Say they won't punish them. I beg, make now follow me watch.
What's the problem? Why they carry this girl? She's not doing anything. I never allow her make she wear better clothes now.
Abeg, wetin be this? Wetin happen to respect? They no even respect and say these girls so. Now towel somewhere, some even wear, in fact, some even they half naked. Make they even reason and say, okay, at least make them these people dress up. Before we start to they carry them, they no even respect their privacy. They just begin draw them anyhow. And I hear say na 38 people now they so far arrest. Say because students come outside, they add their view. Say something where they pay for, they know they get them. They pay school fees, they pay light bill and everything. Still, they know they get all these kinds of things. Now, what make them come outside they complain? And this one where they even do now peaceful protest. No, we say they go destroy anything, or be fight anybody. No. Just the two way they go they complain their complaints, okay, this one no good because of this. The school management can't get mind, send security people. And I hear so when then these security people can't catch them on and know it and this one's can't do. They can't start to they sexually assault these people. Because now no say these people know they well dressed, they wear towel and some things. They can't begin start to they press them. They talk saying it they part of the I beg. Which kind of nonsense be all this kind of one? Person go school now, person no getting freedom again. to go there go complain about something wey no good. And wetin come shock me na I hear say they go even put them inside prison. Abeg, since when they begin authorize school to get prison, wey be say una come dey lock students, no be say they thief, no be say they do anything. They just fight for their rights. See, abeg na put things in place, so because of this one they can't lock them down. But if no be say this Nigeria sef things no dey work, abeg by this time, where this school suppose dey, where this university suppose dey, they never suppose go lock the head of this school, because this one wey they do, e dey very very wrong. To me, e just be like say they just molest them these girls because say they come out, they cry for their rights. And now this one wey they talk now, no be say anything go happen, they no go even do anything to the school. The school management still get mad, they talk say next time make they no go protest. Abeg, why they no go protest when na the only language wey una hear? If anything dey bad, if they complain tie una no go listen. Now if they protest, now una dey hear. I just now wetin make them this youth now come out and say make they go do this one, and na no see shebi una hear. But this whole punishment to me na pure rubbish. Abeg, next time make e no repeat itself, because this one na just disgrace to womanhood. As a woman, abeg, how you go feel say they carry you naked, they roam up and down, say you do something? Abeg, e no make sense. Make we try dey get sense. Some kind punishment wey we dey inflict, make we dey use our brain dey do am. Anyways, my viewers, now here I go end am on this matter. Make una stay tuned for our next story.